In this one video, we're going to answer all of your questions about the Andobil 55-inch selfie stick tripod. I want to dive deep on how to use this tripod. We'll talk about the pros and cons and what it's like to actually take pictures and selfies. This video will act as a guide, a tutorial on how to use the product, but I'll also do an unboxing and will act as support if any of you need me. Andobil wants you to know it really cares about its products and values your feedback. Let's chat about the product. At 2 minutes, I start an unboxing. Alright, let's get into the video. Here we are on a relatively cold day near Dallas, Oregon. I drove 6 hours away from the clouds and the rain in an attempt to get some nice sunny shots with my Corvette. As you can see, the shots turned out pretty good. The tripod is stable, and I really love the fact that it's quick and easy to use. When I'm done, I can pack it in under 20 seconds, throw it in my bag, and I'm good to go. The next scene, I'm by some really nice mountains. As you can see, I am using the wireless remote. The pictures turned out great, and I am very pleased. The remote, which also came with pre-installed batteries and a spare, has really good distance. Look at how far away I am from the camera, and I'm literally the size of the iPhone SE. If you're new to this channel, I want to say welcome, and that Andobil is very excited to have you here with us on this channel. I want to ask you guys, have you used tripods before? What is your experience? Are you considering this specific selfie tripod? What features are you looking for? We want to make the best products possible. If you have feedback, we are listening. The tripod can also be used as a selfie stick. Take a look. Before we get into the unboxing and review, Andobil's giving away an extra 25% off. There will be a coupon in the description below. Be sure to grab the deal before it expires. You won't be able to find such great deals anywhere else. And if you have a moment, definitely check out the Amazon store and the Andobil website. Honestly, I've really enjoyed using this product. It's been awesome. Andobil wants to build the best possible products. Help us achieve this goal. And here we are, the Andobil 55-inch selfie stick tripod. On the back side, we have the UPC and the location of the company. Let's pop this open. We have the tripod in a black bag and 3 important components. The black bag can be used to transport the tripod and its other components. It's a relatively simple bag and has a sling in case you want to put it in your back. It definitely eases the burden of transportation. I can see myself using this. We have some nice Andobil branding. Let's go ahead and take the tripod out. Here's the ball socket tilt head. It's one of the only devices you'll need to complete this setup. You could in theory use the tripod without it, but it could be difficult if you don't have your own tilt head, so just use the one that's included. This allows you to change your camera's direction. Once the tripod is already deployed, it has a nice rubberized top to keep devices steady. Over here we can tighten the ball socket joint or loosen it. If we tighten the screw, it will keep the ball socket in place, and if we loosen it, it will allow for changing direction. The phone holder allows for devices as small as the first generation iPhone SE to as big as the biggest Samsung phablets. This means you won't have to worry about compatibility when trying to decide if this holder will work for your specific device. The brown areas are very rubberized and will keep the phone steady. I was very pleased with the remote. I was happy that they included the battery. But wait, this is actually an extra battery as the device already has a battery in it. They also chose a universal standard instead of the proprietary battery. The CR2032 can be found anywhere. The Bluetooth pairing was really fast and easy. Pair by switching the remote to the on position, then finding the AB shutter 3 in the Bluetooth menu to connect. And there it is, the selfie stick tripod. The tripod has 3 variable adjustments, not including the bottom leg deployments. When you first start to deploy it, it may be a bit stiff. Right now it's about 15 inches in height. Let's take a look at how we can adjust the height to be 55 inches. Loosen the 3 tension screws on the side, then place the phone holder directly on top of the tripod and screw it in place. But first, place the ball socket tilt head. As you can see, it rotates freely. Let's adjust the socket to be a little bit tighter, then place your phone into the phone holder. I want to demonstrate how fluidly the head moves around. This will be very useful when changing the angle or trying to take pictures on uneven ground. Since we loosened these 3 screws, we can then extend the tripod for greater height. Grip the base of the tripod and move upward. Then tighten the screw, and at its peak you can get about 55 inches in height. That's pretty impressive. Thank you so much for watching. We want to build the best tech channel possible, and we can't do it without you. Subscribe and help build this channel's future. Till then, see you in the next video.